Imagine this. Your organization runs an annual program, scholarship, fellowship, grant, or award. Applications close on a Friday, your review committee meets on Monday. And somewhere between those two moments, hundreds of essays need to be read, scored, compared, and ranked by humans over a weekend. Who actually reads application number 347? That's not a review process, that's a lottery, where your best applicants win or lose based on which reviewer had time and which one didn't. Where strong essays at the back of the queue get 90 seconds instead of 9 minutes. There's a name for this, the reviewer lottery, and there's a way out. Here's what a manual application review actually looks like. Applications close. Someone downloads 400 PDFs. Reviewers divide the pile 80 each. The first 20 get deep attention, the next 40 get moderate attention, the last 20 get skimmed. Recommendation letters, routed as attachments. The rubric, each reviewer interprets it slightly differently. By Friday's committee meeting, you're not comparing applicants, you're comparing reviewer opinions. And here's the root cause. Every application management platform, Submittable, Kaleidoscope, AwardSpring was built to solve one problem: collect applications. None of them analyze whether SAA is stronger than SAB. None of them surface a recommendation letter's specific evidence quality. That's the gap. And Sopact Sense was built to close it. Sopact Sense is not another application management platform. It's an application intelligence engine built specifically for organizations that need to understand applicants, not just collect them. Sopact Sense eliminates the bottleneck before reviewers ever open their queue. Intelligence Cell reads every essay, every letter, every narrative response before any human opens a single file. Overnight. That's how long it takes Intelligence Cell to read every application in your pool, 500, 1,000, or 3,000 applications. By morning, they have a ranked shortlist. Every score linked to the exact sentence in the essay that earned it. Actual text, not gut feel. They're deliberating on 40 edge cases, not reading 400 files. Let me walk you through exactly what this looks like, step by step. 7 steps, 1 intelligence loop. Follow along. Step 1. Build your program structure. You configure your rubric, essay prompts, and recommendation format. The rubric becomes the scoring template Intelligence Cell uses for every submission. Step 2. Applications arrive and intelligence begins immediately. The moment an applicant submits, Intelligence Cell starts working. Hit submit, and within hours, their application is scored. Citation evidence generated. Step 3. Your committee gets a ranked shortlist before they open their queue. The top 30% surfaced clearly, the bottom 30% documented. Your committee deliberates on the 80 that actually require human judgment. Step 4. The reviewer bias audit before awards are announced. Sopact surfaces score variance while there's still time to act. It's an actual quality control tool, not just a post-mortem document. Step 5. Comparison mode. Edge cases resolved in seconds. Type a query, and Sopact returns a head-to-head comparison with the exact passages supporting each score. Judgment, not rereading. Step 6. Award decision with a complete audit trail. 6 months from now, when a donor asks why, you pull the citation trail. The audit trail isn't a byproduct, it's built in from step 1. Step 7. Reports generate themselves. Board reports, funder reports, equity analysis. The persistent scholar ID connects selection data to long-term outcomes. That's institutional memory. Everything you just saw works for any application-based program. The intelligence layer is the same. The rubric changes. Sopact Sense solves the problem of inconsistency in volume once for all of them. That's when application management stops being a lottery and starts being a system. Bring your rubric. We'll show you what AI scoring looks like for your program in 20 minutes. Link below.